Hey guys, what's up? Today I've got a quick and super useful tutorial for you. I'm going to show you updated guide, change Android pin or password 2026. This process is very simple and works on most Android devices like Samsung. Open the settings page. Inside the settings menu, you will see multiple options such as network, display and security settings. Now, scroll down carefully and look for security and privacy or a similar option depending on your device model. Tap on it to continue. Inside the security menu, find and select lock screen, screen lock type, or device security options. You may be required to verify your current PIN, password, or pattern to access this section. After verification, you will see different screen lock methods such as PIN, password, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock. To change your password, select the password option for higher security. Now enter your new password carefully. Make sure it is strong and easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. After that, confirm your new password by typing it again. Once confirmed, your Android PIN or password will be successfully updated. Your device is now secured with the new lock method. Your device is now more secure with your updated lock settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.